Hey, we are back with our next installment in our series of hemming tutorials. Check out the playlist. We have other hems on here and we're gonna keep adding them. I hope they help you. Hey, welcome back to Bridal Sewing Techniques, and today we're talking about how to sew the serged edged rolled hem. I know that's a mouthful. It's a serged edge, but it's a rolled hem. Anyways, let's just dive right in. First question people like to ask is, do I let the serger cut the hem for me or do I cut it? The answer is, I always cut it ahead of time. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna mark the hem length with a series of pins and you're going to pre-cut this hem. I'd say about 1/4 inch too long. If you're gonna have a really strong lettuce edge on it, which this hem does have, that's kind of where it curls. It's supposed to kind of curl a little bit. If you're gonna have that, then go ahead and cut the hem about 1/2 inch too long because that curl is gonna take up some of the length. Now to get the curl, there's a couple factors that do that. One is if it's a stretch fabric and you stretch it as you put it through, it's really gonna curl. The other is just, this is kind of a looser weave organza, and when you stretch it as you pull it through, it forms the lettuce edge. So here's a little aerial view of me sewing. There's really not a lot to say about this. You just have to get the tensions right for your fabric. Go ahead and use some of that scrap fabric that you cut off the hem to run it through a few times. Make sure the tensions are correct so that your rolled hem matches the rest of the rolled hem that is on the gown, and then just serge away. Here it is, that nice lettuce edge. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope this has helped you. Share it with your friends so it can help them too. Thanks.